If YouTube is showing error 400 in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get YouTube working again. This error can happen because of cached data, corrupted cookies, browser glitches, extensions, VPNs, or even hardware acceleration issues. So we're going to go through the most effective solutions in the right order. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. First, open YouTube in Google Chrome. Once the page is loaded, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This performs a hard refresh, which tells Chrome to reload the page without using old cached files. Sometimes YouTube error 400 appears simply because the browser is trying to use outdated data, and a hard refresh can clear that up immediately. After you press the shortcut, give the page a moment and see if YouTube loads normally. If the error is still there, the next step is to restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window and make sure the browser is fully shut down, then open Chrome again and go back to YouTube. Temporary browser glitches are more common than people think, and a fresh restart can often fix request errors and broken sessions. This is a simple step, but it is worth trying before moving on to deeper fixes. Now let's clear Chrome cache and cookies because corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons for YouTube error 400. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. In here, select Cookies and Other Site Data, and also select Cached Images and Files. Make sure those boxes are checked, then click Delete Data. Once the browser finishes clearing the data, go back to YouTube and try loading the page again. If a bad cookie or broken cache file was causing the issue, this should fix it. Next, sign out of YouTube and sign back in. Click your profile picture in the top corner of YouTube, then choose Sign Out. Wait a few seconds and then sign in again with your Google account. Sometimes the issue is not the page itself, but the account session attached to it. If your login session gets corrupted or expired, YouTube may fail to load properly and throw an error 400 message. Refresh the page after signing back in and check whether it's working. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your Chrome extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. From there, disable any ad blockers, VPN extensions, and any YouTube-related extensions you have installed. Some extensions can interfere with how YouTube sends and receives requests, and that can trigger loading errors. After disabling them, restart Chrome and test YouTube again. If the site loads, one of your extensions was the cause. Another important fix is to disable any VPN or proxy you're using. Turn off VPN apps and also check your proxy settings if you have one enabled. Some VPN servers can trigger request issues with YouTube, especially if the IP address has been flagged or if the connection route is unstable. Once the VPN or proxy is turned off, reload YouTube in Chrome and see if the error disappears. If it does, you may need to use a different server or keep the VPN off when using YouTube. Finally, if you still see error 400, try disabling hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Chrome Settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting. Hardware acceleration can cause GPU rendering bugs on some systems, and those bugs may interfere with YouTube playback or page loading. Turning it off is a great troubleshooting step if nothing else has worked. So to quickly recap, if YouTube error 400 is showing in Chrome, try a hard refresh, restart the browser, clear cache and cookies, sign out and back into YouTube, disable extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and disable hardware acceleration. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem and get YouTube loading normally again. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.